Mastering Demonstrative Adjectives, your English language companions. Hello and welcome everyone. In today's video, we will dive deep into an essential part of the English language, demonstrative adjectives. By understanding and using demonstrative adjectives effectively, you can greatly improve your English communication skills. Let's jump right in. Demonstrative adjectives are words that modify nouns or pronouns to indicate specific things in space or time. They answer the question, which one? The four demonstrative adjectives in English are this, that, these, and those. This and these are used for things that are near in space or time. That and those are used for things that are further away in space or time. Understanding the concept is the first step. Applying it is where real learning happens. It's important to remember that this and that are used with singular nouns or uncountable nouns. These and those, on the other hand, are used with plural nouns. Let's see some examples. This book is interesting. I like that coffee. These apples are ripe. Those children are playing. Remember, demonstrative adjectives always come before the noun they are modifying. Sometimes, learners of English may confuse demonstrative adjectives with demonstrative pronouns. However, it's important to know that while they use the same words, this, that, these, and those, they function differently. Demonstrative adjectives always modify a noun, whereas demonstrative pronouns stand alone. For instance, this book is interesting. Here, this is a demonstrative adjective. This is interesting. Here, this is a demonstrative pronoun. By being mindful of these differences, you can avoid common mistakes and use English more confidently and accurately. And there we have it. A clear introduction to demonstrative adjectives. These simple but powerful words are vital tools in your English language toolbox. Remember, practice makes perfect. Try using these demonstrative adjectives in your everyday conversations and writing. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope this video helps you on your journey to mastering the English language. Stay tuned for more helpful English language learning content. Happy learning!